So today I have two defective 40 millimeter. These are for the paintball and the Nerf rockets, not the moss carts. They're both leaking to the point of not being usable. I think this one's ASG. I don't know who the OEM is. This one doesn't want to work. We're gonna go at these today and see if we can fix them. Okay, the thing is pressed back, and then I'm gonna try loading it. That happens. Sounds like some of it is escaping, like immediately, and then there's just a little bit left. Alright, I guess that one kind of works, but that one still needs attention. And then this one, this is the Eagle Force grenade. Again, this is pressed back. It works. Here we go. And it just leaks. This is probably a less difficult one to fix. See? So let's start with the easiest one. That's going to be the Eagle Force. So I'm going to take it apart by unscrewing the shell from the base. What I'm putting on is this is Molykote. This is it's Molykote Dow Corning. This is the 111 vacuum grease, high vacuum grease, all silicone. And what I'm going to apply it with is a Q-tip or a sandwich stick. I'm not sure what you want to call it. But I'm gonna go tits out and just put it all over the damn thing. See if that can solve our problem with the least amount of effort. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this blue tape while I'm at it. I don't think it's really doing anything anymore. See, it's all nice and greasy. You can see that O-ring near the bottom. And then I'm going to get rid of this shit here. This silicone grease I'm going to get rid of. Just going to wipe that off. Okay, here we go. Damn! So we are super close. Alright, here's the input valve that I just took out. I'm just going to cover it in grease. I'm going to try to just barely make sure I can see through that. Okay. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to throw it all back together and see how that works. Now we're going to test it out. Hopefully that's the last straw. Ah, damn it, the output valve is still leaking. Yeah, it's leaking good. Maybe I just didn't tighten it down enough. I can just barely hear it leaking. So I'm gonna fill this thing up as much as I can, and then I really think I've got this one fixed. Alright, so the Eagle Force one started leaking again, but it's nowhere near as bad as it used to be. Probably just gotta throw some more grease in there. But here's the first one in a GNP M203. Unfortunately, I cannot find a projectile starting. Alright, so that one checks out. Just needs another do-over. And then here's the that ASG grenade. And see how this one works. This one's not leaking at all. Oh, god damn it.